Hi, this is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. By now, most of you probably already played around in Adobe Firefly, but for those who haven't yet, I'm going to show you how to quickly transform text into any material with amazing results. In this tutorial, we'll create text that will look like large boulders or rocks. However, the same steps will apply no matter what material you want your text to be. If you'd like to use the same font I'm using, I provided its link in the video's description or project files. First, let's create a new document by pressing Ctrl or Command N, or by going to File and New. Let's make the width 1920 pixels, the height 1080 pixels, and the resolution 150 pixels per inch. The color mode is RGB and 8 bits per channel. Choose white for the background. Then click Create. Open the horizontal type tool and type Picker. Open the font I provided or choose another thick, chunky font. We'll adjust its size in a moment. Make the aliasing smooth and choose whatever alignment you want. If the color box isn't black, click it, and when the color picker opens, click black. Click on your document and type out your text. To enlarge it, highlight your text, and at the top, place your cursor over the text icon, and when it changes into a scrubby slider, click and drag it to the right. To reposition it, open your Move tool and drag your text. We'll save it by going to File and Save a Copy. Click on your computer, save it to your desktop, and name it. Save it as a JPEG and click Save. Then click OK. Open your browser and in the search field type in firefly.adobe.com. Then sign into Adobe. I'll sign in using my email address and password. In the prompt field for this example, let's type in large boulder isolated on a white background, many cracks, weathered. Then click Generate. Within a few seconds, Firefly will give us 4 choices of images that does its best to match the prompt we typed in. Your boulders won't be exactly like mine, since each time we click Generate, it comes up with 4 new images. In the Content Type section, we can choose Art or a photo. If we turn on the Auto mode, Firefly makes choices for us. By leaving it off, we can make our own selections manually. We can change its aspect ratio if we like by simply clicking on the one we want. I'll keep it square. Go to the boulder you like best and click the Download button, or you can download all of them by clicking the Download All button. Under the Structure section, click this icon, which will place our text into. Navigate to the text you typed in at the beginning and click Open. Notice our text is now the structure reference. I'll keep its strength in the middle, but I encourage you to play with it to see how it affects our results. Place your cursor anywhere on an empty area on the left column, click and press the down arrow on your keyboard to scroll down. Click the icon of the reference style, navigate to the boulder you picked, and click Open. Notice it's now our reference style. Again, I'll keep the visual intensity and strength both in the middle. Scroll back up, open the aspect ratio list, and click Widescreen 16:9. Click Generate to apply the revised aspect ratio. If you want to see more choices, just click Generate again. Click the Download button on the one you want to save, or you can save them all by clicking the Download All button. Open Photoshop and click File and Open. Navigate to your image and click Open. This is Marty from Blue Lightning TV. Thanks for watching.